This is our quick review of the Vape Pen Nord 22 from Smok. This device is comfortable to use in the hand. The 800 mAh battery is enough to last a whole day for most users and is rechargeable through Microusb, although this charging could be done a bit faster as it charges slightly above 0.5 amps. The top cap and drip tip are one piece only, and although it is somewhat comfortable to use and easy to fill, it might be a bit too wide for some people, and it is also made of plastic, which causes it to get hot faster and makes the threads a lot more fragile than if it was made from a more resistant material. By being a one-piece design, you can't change the drip tip to a different one, be it 510 or any other size, and you cannot place a 510 drip tip on top of the stock one because the inside is conical shaped. The coils have a decent lifetime as compared to devices like the Aspire Pocket or the previous vape pens from Smok. The button is a bit protruding, which makes it easy to find on the front of the device, and it has a satisfying click. The vapor production is great, the drawer is more NTL orientated, but it's not very restricted. One other thing to point out is the fact that it does not allow you to regulate the airflow. It comes with two types of coils in the box, the 1.4 ohm regular and the 0.8 mesh NTL. The coils are easy to replace and there is no leaking to the bottom part of the device while using it, only a little condensation, which is normal. The finish is holding up well after a month of use, and the build quality seems to have improved from the previous Vape Pen and Vape Pen Plus. It's available in 6 different colors: red, black plating, blue, gold, stainless steel and 7 color, or let's just call it rainbow. The battery indicator is a bit silly because the buttons light up with a white LED every time you click it, and to actually see the battery level you have to press it twice within 1 second and then it shows you the different colors. Green for when it's above 70%, orange when it's between 30 and 70%, red when it's below 30%, and it blinks 15 times when the battery voltage is at its lowest. The colors light the same color when it's charging to show you at what level of charge the device is, and they turn off when it's fully charged. The pros: it has a good battery life, it's easy to fill and easy to use, it has a good coil lifetime, good vapor production and a good throw tip, and the button is clicky and protruding enough so you don't have trouble finding it. Now for the cons: the drip tip and top cap are made of plastic and too wide for an MTL device. It has a long charging time, a silly battery indicator, and no airflow control. Overall, this is a great device for someone that wants an easy to use and satisfying pen-style device and does not like the airflow too restricted. If you liked this video and want to see more content created by us in this or other formats, please hit the subscribe button below, activate the notifications and give us a thumbs up. If you already use or tried this device, give us your opinions and thoughts on the comment section below. If you smoke, get into vape and know what you're vaping.